Can you see on your screens right now, up in the upper left-hand corner, does it say PHP My Admin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Angie, you actually can get to this point right now, but I want to wait. If we have to, we'll wait until tomorrow. And because I want you guys to be at the same spot, because to me it's kind of a waste for me to explain the process of adding all this stuff to you and then do it again tomorrow for Keegan. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right. Just so you're both aware of it, this is what I did during the break. I fixed your iLoan for both of yours. I fixed your iLoan, your short-term class, and your long-term class. But I didn't have time to do your form1.cs file. So what I did was I went back and re-zipped the things that you both sent me with the iLoan.cs fixed, with the short-term loan.cs fixed, and the long-term loan.cs fixed, plus my key, so to speak, for the form1.cs. And I'm going to ask that by tomorrow, you try to fix your form1.cs and send everything into me. Does that make sense to both of you?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Okay. What you have in front of you, as you can probably tell, is PHP My Admin. Now, this is not what we're going to use to work with C#. But what I like about this particular package is, for lack of better words, it's GUI. All right. What do I mean by that? I want to show you exactly what I mean. All right. And I mean, if you want to, Angie, you can actually follow along with what I'm going to do right now, just so you see it. All right. And let's see. Okay. All right. Let's see. Can I go to here, or is it going to give me an error? Okay. If you want to do this, Angie, you can go in and right from that XAMPP window, the thing that you sent me the screenshot of. You see that on your screen, on the screen here right now? Can you see this?
Yeah.
All right. If you want to, you don't have to do this, but if you want to, make sure these are both on. So if these both say stop on there, you click this, or they both say start, just click them both. Then if you want, you can click this button right here that says shell. All right. And if you do that, what you're going to get is a pretty ugly looking screen that looks like this. You don't have all this stuff on it yet. All right. But do you see a black screen like this or not?
Let me try.
And Keegan, by tomorrow, hopefully at least, you're going to get to this point.
Yes, I have it.
All right. Then what you want to type in is what I've got right here. MySQL, one word, a space, minus u root. And if it works, you're going to see all this stuff afterwards. Did it work or not? Angie?
No, it didn't pop anything up.
MySQL space minus u root. You hit enter.
I did. Let me try it again.
All right. No space after the u. Either way, listen, it's okay. Now, what I'm going to show you next, Angie, you can't do, because we have not yet given you you to the database. We haven't copied it over, but well, this is what I want to show you. I'm going to type in here, use. Back, I'm going to say show databases. All right, everybody see this where it says show databases?
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
I've got one called company right there. I'm going to say use company. All right, now I'm going to say select star from categories. You see that on the screen where it's got 1 through 6? Do you see this, what I'm showing you here?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a non-GUI version. What do I mean? I want to show you exactly what I mean, okay? So I'm going to stop my share. I'm going to start my share again, and I'm going to show you the GUIized version of this. Do you now see PHPMyAdmin again over here?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Now I'm going to come in here and I'm going to type the same thing. Select star from categories. And I got to move this because there's a button down here that says go. Come on. Well, I don't know if this thing is affecting it now or not, but well, that's interesting. This has not happened before. Huh. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. It's my fault. Click there. Says you have unsaved changes. Are you sure you want to leave this page? Wow. Okay, let's try this. Use company. Well, this has not happened before where this is hung up like this, ever. So let me see one last thing here. I'm going to try to close this. All right. Come on. Boy, oh boy. All right, it's not letting me get out of Windows now. This has never happened before, but I'm going to do the best I can to get out of them anyway. So let's see. All right, that's where I want to be. All right. Wow. Do you see the PHPMyAdmin on your screen or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. I don't know why, but it had me stuck someplace. I don't know why. You just saw when I did the select star from companies, and I did it on the black background with the white text. Why aren't you allowing me to run this? This has never, ever happened before. Oh, my goodness. Well, these are the tables that you're going to have come tomorrow. All right. You see that this is the same information that we saw before. This is what I wanted to get when I ran the query. For some reason, the query wouldn't run. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. All right. Is we're going to stop for today. And what I want you to do, Keegan, is I want you to go through everything all over again. You do the install like you said you were going to do. If you have any problems with anything, take a screenshot or screenshots, save them as ping or you know, whatever kind of files, JPEG, whatever they happen to be. Put them in a folder, zip the folder, and send them to me. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right. And then if you guys would, because you'll now have what, an hour and a half that I would like you to go and fix your programs from yesterday. All right. And those will be due by the beginning of class tomorrow. Is that fair enough?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Sorry about this, but until we can get all this working, I don't want to go on. I don't know what's going on with mine either. So I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.